Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. As you can tell, I've got two very special guests with me, my mom and my daughter. This is a Mother's Day video. I've got a delicious menu planned for us and I'm excited to make it. We will be making a spinach and cheese souffle. Does that sound good?
Yes.
And bruschetta and lemon tarts. So we just thought we'd take you guys along with us and as we make this, so hang with us, stay tuned, because it's that time to get cooking. I'm gonna make souffle and it is an egg dish. This is actually Anna Garten's recipe, but I did add bacon because I just think that would be good. And I'm using fresh spinach instead of the frozen spinach. That's the only thing I'm really changing. So I have 9 eggs, but I need to separate them and put 4 yolks in this bowl. Do you think you could do that?
I can try. We'll see how it goes.
Okay, I'll tell you what you can do. I'll do that, but okay. I need these dishes. We need to put this in the microwave and melt this butter, and then I need you to like spread the butter around in each of those dishes and then sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan.
Now I can do that.
Okay, great. This is going to be one of those unfiltered
I don't know what
videos.
I'm doing.
Yeah.
So
we're using 4 of these ramekins. Her recipe was 1 large. I don't have 1 large like that, so we're just going to make individual ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate. I'm going to put my egg whites in my large mixing bowl because I'm going to beat my egg whites in just a little bit. I'm separating them. I need 4 egg yolks and 5 egg whites. So that's 5 eggs. Right. So now what you need to do is just take some of this Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle. You want to make sure that the sides are going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and melt in a sauce pot. The 3 tablespoons of butter to a sauce pot. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour to my butter. Basically, we're making a roux. All right, then I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And I'm just going to let this cook until it gets thick. All right, I'm going to give a pinch of salt and black pepper. Need to add a half of a teaspoon of cream of tartar to your egg whites.
Okay. Is that good? Oh, we're going to call it good.
Okay, that's fine. So go ahead and just start taking the mixer and
You just
want to beat it until it gets nice.
You want like that speed?
Yes, you're going to have to increase the speed.
Okay. We'll
start out with that and then just keep increasing. I'm going to add my egg yolks to a larger mixing bowl. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this flour and milk mixture. You don't want to dump it all in there because we don't want to scramble our eggs. We want to temper our eggs.
I've had that happen before.
So I'm just going to add a little bit and mix them together. All right, so now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar, white cheddar cheese that I grated myself. This is 3 slices of bacon that I sliced and fried up until they were crisp. Then I have about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of fresh spinach that I chopped. Take the egg whites and we're going to gently fold them into the egg yolk mixture. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. You don't want to dump them all at once.
Right.
Like we're just going to take,
like a little scoop.
Just a little bit at a time. Gently fold it in. Oh, just like that.
Oh, give me another little scoop here.
It should be light and airy. We're gonna pour.
Just fill them up.
Yeah, fill them up. We don't want to fill them all the way up. You
Like
want to fill them up.
3/4?
Yeah, about 3/4. You don't want to. You want to leave room because they're gonna grow and they're gonna
Right.
get real big and tall.
Pour it in there. Oh yeah, that'll do.
All right,
For
so
sure.
we're going to put our soufflés on a baking tray, and we're going to put it in a 375-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And we're not going to peek. We do not want to open that oven under any circumstance.
Can you turn the light on?
Yeah, you just don't want to open the oven door
Oh, I see.
because then it could.
Just let the heat out and make
Well,
it.
they could fall.
They deflate. Okay.
Like pico de gallo is your Spanish, you know, tomato salsa type thing.
Right.
Bruschetta is just an Italian salsa.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our tomatoes. All right, so I'm just going to take the tomato, cut it in half again, and I'm going to remove these seeds. I'm just going to kind of slide my knife like that. Take them and
So you do make them smaller.
yes. Add these tomatoes to a bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to take a couple garlic cloves, dandy garlic press here that I've had forever.
Is
and
that from the Pampered
looking,
Chef?
it is, and it's looking rather rough, but that's okay. So I'm just going to mince a couple garlic cloves, cut some leaves. So I'm going to take these leaves and just I'm going to what they call a chiffonade. Basically, we're gonna roll them up, and a chiffonade is just long strips,
that makes
just
sense.
really fine strips. It's just a fancy word. So we're gonna add that to the tomatoes. Chiffonade.
Oh.
All right, I am gonna add a pinch of salt and black pepper. And then I'm going to drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil. Just about a tablespoon or so. And I've got some really good balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of that.
Oh, yummy.
I like to add the shaved Parmesan. And I just add it right to my, just kind of break it up just a little bit. Add just a little handful. So Mom is joining us. She's going to take the lemon curd and fill the pie shells. Now this lemon curd, I have a shorts video that shows you just how to make it. I will leave you the link to that in the description box below. These are little individual pie crust. I bought the Pillsbury. Pillsbury came out with, you can buy they come out with a mini pie. They're perforated and they're already small.
Wow.
Which I thought was kind of cool. However, like it's a circle and they're perforated, so there's some scrap pieces. I took the scrap pieces and made these. Now we can just take like a raspberry and some blueberries, something like that. Is it good?
Yes, it's good. It's so light.
Yeah.
The Parmesan on the sides is 10 out of 10.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you all so much for hanging out with us for this Mother's Day video. Hope you enjoyed just seeing us cook together in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. God bless. I hope you have a very happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. And of course, as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. Let me look at my hair.
I don't like the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Can I go sit down now?
No. I can't sit down.
Okay, go ahead.
You don't have to. You can sit down, Mom. She doesn't have to be up here the whole time.
Oh my gosh. Benjamin, we are filming. You cannot do that.
Is Ben in the video? Because that'd be great, huh? Okay.
Taught me things.
I have taught you things.
Yeah.
Look at my fresh basil plant.
That is so nice.
I know.